If you want the best bacon ever, this is definitely the best way to cook it. This is my homemade smoked bacon. Just put it into a pan, put a good cupful of water just to cover the bacon, and then let it boil dry, and let it then cook in its own fat. You're the most tasty, tender bacon you've ever tried. Worth rendering the fat out, which will accumulate after it's all evaporated. And that's when the magic starts. Now the fat's rendering out, which I'll end up putting my fat container, bacon fat. Yeah, really starting to look good. Really starting to look good. And you see it's going to crisp up better. I'll get heaps of bacon fat out of that, which I'll put in my container and reuse. Lovely rendered bacon fat. Cook the eggs in it now. Now cooking the eggs in the bacon fat. Once they're done, put bacon fat left over, put into my container. And what's left of my bacon fat. Too good to waste. Smoked bacon fat. Great for cooking eggs or anything at all, sausages, steak, more bacon. In this container it gets all the particles out of it. Let that cool and then clean it. Right up. Beautiful, tasty, crispy bacon and eggs, all done in bacon fat.